Honey? Good afternoon. It's already 2 p.m. here. 2 p.m.
No, it's not so much.
Almost 1 hour na.
Okay, 1:20.
1:20. Warehouse, honey.
The next one.
Oh, that one? Oh, almost close. May kukunin kaming sampayan for free. We're going this way, honey. This way.
There is just more houses and then the road just ends.
Ah, the roads that ends there.
There are some people there.
Yeah. Binigay nila yung sampayan nila. Maybe, no need, di nila kailangan. Got our sampayan for free. Binigyan na niya ng isang kape. Tapos, they're about living there, honey. Maybe they will go somewhere, or they will move somewhere.
Yeah, I have seen them, of course, before and greeted them. But now it's been a long time since I.
They are also renting that house.
Yeah.
Ano, walang masyadong sasakyan dito. Ay! Oh my kulay. Kailangan mong maglakad ng mabagal lang kasi madulas dito.
We have to put puno ng plastic there.
Okay.
And also clean this. And also clean my car, so we are not going to the inside yet.
OMG.
Just take this.
Oh! That's so fast, honey.
Oh, the tractor.
The tractor here. Ang kapal ng snow, OMG. Kahapon walang snow, pero kagabi umulan. So, ayan, kapal na naman. Where is your storage room? At the back? Oh, here.
Yeah, storage room.
And what is about this one? For the kapitbahay?
No, that is technical room. There is water boiler of this building and I think electricity of this building. And like that.
Hoy, sobrang malamig na yung kamay ko. Naka-double ano pa naman ako gloves. Pero ramdam ko yung malamig. Is that your storage room, honey?
Yeah, your mallet is here.
Oh. This is yours also?
No, this is the kapitbahay, the old man. Why is there?
Okay.
The summer tires, summer wheels to the car.
Oh, okay. Done. Let's go back. So, nilagay niya na yung puno ng Pasko doon. Kasi tapos na yung Pasko. Sobrang malamig na yung kamay ko. Honey, faster. Oh, may gulay. You remove that.
What?
This one. Sobrang malamig na.
No, it's not malamig na.
Because ikaw ay finish na lalaki. So, oh, may gulay. Sobrang makapal ang snow. Yan. And then later in the evening, snowing a lot again. And it's full of snow again here.
Kawawang kotse.
Sobrang kawawa. How to remove that?
I will just put the heater on now.
Only like this.
Yeah.
But my hands will be wet.
Yeah, because it's wet snow now. If you want, you can use this. Oh.
Let me try.
The other end of the brush, honey.
This one. Baliktad. Okay. Very easy to do this. Ayan. Naging taga-brush na ako ng kotse dito. Nagkatanggal ng snow. And if you stay the snow like this, it will become heavy, right? Because
Yeah,
if snowing a lot.
it is heavy now
Yeah.
because it's wet. The tractor is coming back soon.
Really?
Yeah, that is the start from the.
Yeah. Tractor.
Look, there it's coming.
Coming here?
Take video.
In this place?
No, not this place. There.
Sobrang malamig. They are busy every winter because their work is to remove the snow from the road. Now, they are pulling the snow beside the road. Ayan. Malapit nang matapos. It's very beautiful snow, but sobrang malamig. If you are here, sobrang malamig. Is that okay na?
Yeah, tama na.
Where, your brush. Oh.
I'll put it inside here. I will take a little bit from the windshield.
They are busy now. Honey? You want me to shower with the snow? Yan, sobrang kapal ng snow. Yeah, let's go back. Ayan, uuwi na kami. Babalik na kami sa aming silid. Dito.